how to make a gradient background in your Instagram story on Android. This tutorial shows you how to create a beautiful gradient background for your story in just a few steps. First, open the Instagram app on your Android device. After that, tap on the plus icon at the top left of the screen to create a new story. From there, tap on Story to open the Story Creator. At this point, swipe down to open your story options. Let me show you. Tap on Create to open the text and background tools. In the next step, tap on the color palette icon at the bottom of the screen to change the background color. From there, press and hold on any color in the color bar at the bottom. This will open the full color picker with gradient options. At this stage, drag your finger across the color spectrum to find the colors you want for your gradient. Following this, apply your color. Here's an important note. For a cleaner gradient effect, use colors that are close to each other on the color spectrum. Contrasting colors can sometimes look messy when blended together. Finally, once your gradient background looks the way you want, tap on Your Story at the bottom left to share it with all your followers, or add text and stickers on top before posting. And that's it. If this guide helped you make a gradient background on your Instagram story, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.